And we're full, guys. We're going to rip. I'm sending out this to everybody right now. J Fish. Yeah, hold on. Marsh, I got you, buddy. Yep, I got you, Zach. You're always on the bottom because of the Z. Seth or Stacks, we know he can't be with us for the reason right now. Luke, you in here? Cool, you're good, buddy. T.O., I'm just about to see you're in the 3 box. Cool, buddy. Got you, Gator. Hold on. Hold on. I got you, Marsh. Hold on. Oh, wait. No, Marsh, I got you. Hold on, Marsh. I got you. Hold on. That's probably that last spot that's sitting there. Unless I put you in here. Nope. You're not in that one. Yeah, all right. 1, 2, 3. That's why. Tank's got one too many, guys. Tank had one too many. All right, guys. We're good. You're good. Everybody should be A to Z. Check it out. Breaks packs. Oh, no. You do have it. You're right here. Dude, Marsh, you are on Bet Baseball from your eBay or Mr. eBay seller, right? Who's Bet Baseball better? We went over this last night. I can't. Okay, all right. Never mind. You're good. All right, never mind. Scratch that. Run it. That's right, JT. I got you, buddy. All right, cool. We're good, guys. 1, 2, 3. Tank. Depending on how yeah. I know. I always get you confused. A couple guys through Venmo, like Marsh. His address was goofy. Let's run it up, guys. Let me Command Z this real quick. Marsh, yeah, you're good. All right, we're good, guys. No worries. Let's roll some dice. Good luck. Let's see if we get that 7. Let's wipe it tonight. Let's hit a banger. Let's see if I'm throwing that high tech in. 2. 4, guys. 4, don't worry, there's another chance on the big break for a 7. That could be even bigger. 4 times. Damn. It happened a couple weeks, or a month ago, I think. Doubles roll. It happened once before, and I was like, my heart sunk, because it was a big box. I think it was my case of limited football. And I was like, holy... O'Neal, what's funny is Dre, when he comes in here, he's one of my good friends in California, and he was like, good thing before you moved back home to Chicago, I threw those loaded die in there. And I was like, you motherfucker. All right, guys, let's random it up. Let's random it up 4 times. Up to you guys. If you want to give me a thumbs up, I can restart this feed so we don't run out of time and we can run right into stuff. Sometimes the phone and the internet. Top spot. What pairs well with the high life? If you're about to say some kind of substance, I'm not doing it until after I break. I can't function when I'm doing the good stuff. Net? Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. A nutty bar? Cavs stacks. Knicks quick. Hank, hand, Spurs. Blazers crank. The Devil's lettuce. You got Kings. Could be a Nick Claxton. Hey, don't say that, Zach. Zach, when we had our first 4 boxes of select, you can hit. I think you can hit Durant out of here. You can also hit Kyrie, I believe. So don't forget, it's not just big rookies, guys. Mr. Foster is here. Mr. Foster. Heat tank. Grizz tank. The guy, I don't think I've ever done a break where Tank has not gotten the Celtics. And he's a New York guy. That's just him. What up, Fost? How you doing, boy? Bowles, Franco. Don't forget, guys, veterans sign in here. Veterans sign in here. Pelicans, Gassar. Bang. All right, guys, are you guys ready? You know it's on the story already. So if you're new to breaking, all you got to do is this. Check her out. I always post my stories. Wolves and Wiz. All right, let's go. Let's go, baby. No more waiting around. You know what? I really hope that I pull something, Zach, that you just shit your pants tonight. I got all this personal stuff, too, I could throw in, so don't forget. All right, guys, let's go. Ja Morant on the top. Little, Kevin Durant, Reggie Jackson for the Pistons. Tricolor, Darius Garland. Darius Garland, tricolor. Who got the Cavs? That was Stacks, I think. Stacks has been really on... Zach, you and Stacks probably have been the roughest goes. But I've had some guys that literally stop buying in the breaks because they can't do anything, but they don't buy boxes either. Jaren Jackson Jr. Tricolor Zion! Wipe your ass! Wipe it, baby! Let's go! Who's Gazer? Who is Gazer? And a Brandon Clark on the back. We still have autos to hit, guys. Sekou, Chris Paul, Trae Young, Giannis. How about a thigh bull silver? Who's got the Philadelphia 76ers? C. Franco. Some big rookies coming out of here. Let's get those autos. Let's go. We hit the Ja. We hit the Zion. A nice thigh bull. Let's get a nice auto for my guys that need the vet autos. Kevin Porter Jr. This is going to be all rookies. How about a Tremont Waters? How about a Porzingis die cut 34 of 249? That's going to Jim Swin. He's had a rough go too. This is, I think, is his first card he's hit in like 3 or 4 breaks. And this Waters right here, courtside. Zion! Wipe it! And it's covering the auto, so this is going to be tricky. Hold on. Hold on. Dame Kobe White. Yeah, no kidding. Do not sell your Zions, guys. I don't know why I just did this. This is a base. There are plenty more. Top loaders are cheap. Guys, if you need top loaders, you can ask me. I might be able to throw some inside your orders, but I can only throw like 2. Who's got the Suns? Who got the Suns? Wipe it. Bet baseball. All I know is this box is probably the best box that I've gotten in a while. Carson Edwards, Kevin Knox, Schofield, Chris Paul, Grant Williams. 119 out of 199. You get Kyle Guy. I've pulled, guys, they don't suck. There are a lot, yeah. Go. We got a zebra, guys. This box is unreal. We have a zebra. How about a DeAndre Hunter? Silver. Who's got the Hawks? We are wiping it all night long. De'Aaron Fox, you got the worst team, you just said. Hyped up cards. Are you serious? Go wipe it. I thought you said you wanted to trade the Kings to Z-Vlog. That's what I read. All I saw was, hey, Z-Vlog, would you like to trade? Fernando, Noel, Rozier, Kobe White, another one. How about a Cat Silver? We still got autos, guys. How about Windler? Is this a Phenomenons? Cameron Johnson Phenomenons. This is going to be a good pack. Gary Harris. Kemba Walker courtside. Wow. 124 of 175, guys. This box is... I could have opened this box and maybe made a good chunk back. Hero tricolor! Wipe it! Holy hell! What a box! KZ. Tank is just... Dude, this box might go down as one of the best I've ever seen. Jordan Poole, Devin Booker, Kevin Durant blue! 266 of 299, Zach! Everyone's hitting tonight. Let's go! Wipe it! That's better than nothing right there, baby. Everybody's getting some love right now. Holy shit. What a box. Are you serious right now? Gafford. Ignis Kuzma. Kemba Walker silver. How about a Baisley? 33 of 49. Wow. Thunder even getting some love. The auto hasn't been revealed yet. Is this gonna work? Might need to get a better... Nope, that is it. I grabbed the right ones. We didn't hit the auto yet. I just did the mem card, guys. I always save the autos for last. Where's Boney at? Hey, Z-Vlog. Joe Johnson. Jersey card. Throwback. I'm not sure why, unless because of Darius, it's a rookie card, but I thought we were supposed to have 2 autos, so... All right, guys, last card, auto, with Zion on top. Let's see if he's going to rub off on it. Let me top load him real quick. Literally a napkin. Come on, baby, spread some more love. Spread some more love. Let's go. Come on. It's a big one. This is a big one. Tyson Chandler for the Rockets! 138 of 199. I think everybody hit something. I think everybody had a decent hit in this. Just asked about them. We got upset about a few characters, teams not being involved, and here we are. Like right after we talk about them, they show up. I had to look how many cards I had to top load. Look how many Zion, Joe, Baisley, Durant, Hero, Gary Harris, De'Aaron Fox. Not sure how he got in there, and he got in there. Hunter Silver, Grant Williams, Kobe, Porzingis, Thibault, Zion again, Ja, Cam Johnson, Scope, and Tyson Chandler. Wow. That was a hell of a box, guys. I have one more box. It's clearly not in this case. They're randomly pulled now because I don't get cases of them anymore because the prices are stupid high. I'd rather get a case of like Flawless or something, but that's another story for another time. With that said, we got the 3-box. I got personals I can do if anybody wants to do that because we got that 3-box has 14 spots left, guys. So, wow. What a box. Holy hell. I might need another High Life after that one. I have Contenders Football. I have this little guy right here, which, guys, if you were in the video last night, I had this the whole time. It was upstairs. I have Plates and Patches. I have Don Russ. You hit that big one, it's like hitting that big slot, you know. Bowman's Chrome. I have Bowman's Best. I can do a cheap break on this. If you guys want to split up like divisions, there's 8. So it'd be like $14 a division. Random. Optic. If anybody wants personals, let me know. Can't believe that box was insane. What up, agent? Windy City, baby. Let's go. Oh, money on the blaster? If I did this, it's $60, Marsh. It's 60. Basketball, I only have that one box of Select, guys. That's the only one. This is the last box I have of Select. We were only able to get 2. So I can do another random team at 22, but we got to get those spots filled. Which Tank and another guy took 3. What up, Baylor Bears? So I got that. If you want this Marsh, you can let me know. I got that. We can do another random team on that. We can do this right here. Or we can maybe do conferences on Select. It's going to be more money. What up, Leo? So that, we got the mixer. I got Plates and Patches. If anybody wants personal of that, I got Bowman's Chrome and Best now. I got High Tech. We can do that. Someone wants a personal of that. The Don Russ. I got an Optic personal I can do, or the 3-box, guys. We're close on that 3-box. We are very close. We're like 14 spots right now on the 3-box mixer. 9 autos. 13 more spots. Oh, Plates and Patches is phenomenal. I did a whole case of that, too. I think maybe Leo was in it. So it looks like I got 13 left, guys. Yeah, we don't have to do that one tonight. I can post that up. I can also do a one pick your team, but that's crazy though. I don't think people want to do one pick your team and 2 random teams at like $59 a spot. Let's get this. Yeah, the 3-box mixer, Leo, right here. Boom. 3-box mixer is what you see right here, buddy. Topps Chrome, Prism, and a box of Optic Football. That's 28 a spot. It's random teams. I got 14. Why do I have 13? Oh, Mike, you sent me one through PayPal. That's why. Or I got to edit this. Hold on, guys. There's 13 left. That's the closest we are to break it. It's 28 a spot. Everyone gets a random team in football and baseball. That's 0. See what I mean? This website sometimes is just not updating. The mixer's probably the best option. Yeah, I got you. One right here, and your other one right here. And then Mr. Z Vlog, we got to get that kid back in business. Let me hit this up. 13 left. Pin that up. It's getting slow. I know it is. Other people got different breaks going, so you grab one? All right. 617, you got it, buddy. Let me know. We're at 13. You can DM me or hit the website, windycitycards.co. Grab it. Yeah, thanks. I'm going to take some pictures, guys, see if we could get some traffic in here. Select personal. You don't even want to know. You don't even want to know how much that is. I mean, maybe you do, but I think you can get in 5 breaks for the amount of that. So, but if you want me to let you know, I can let you know. Just, it's crazy, man. The prices, Panini's closed, guys. It's like a box of Select basketball is $5.35. $5.35. $5.35. If that last box was a personal, that was a damn good personal. Oh, I love the zebra. I don't care if it's De'Aaron Fox or who. I love the zebra. Even like Durant's. These are his first year with Brooklyn. Site isn't working. What's a PayPal? Send it right now. WindyCityCards.co. Sorry. Did you try the yellow button? Sometimes it doesn't work. It gets flustered. But 038@gmail.com. WindyCityCards038@gmail.com.